Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday, and welcome to vlog number 5. This morning I was going to show you a one cancels the other order on our play SOXL, but as you can see, SOXL closed out this morning. So, alright, payday. Love it. So let's go ahead and get that filled in. Hope everyone had an awesome 4th of July. Let me go back to June. And we closed at 38. All right. So we'll take our profit. Let's get this filled in here for us, which is always a fun thing to do, right? All right. And we got this one. And we're going to make everything bold. And there we go. All right. So, for the month of June, even though this one did close out the beginning of July, but we opened it in June, we are up $267. So, not a bad June. So, for today, like I said, today I was planning on doing a one cancels the other on that play. But we are going to look for another trade to open up here. And on Friday, I was able to get SMH to close our opening trade here, which, to be honest, I got a little greedy on the first trade that I was doing. I was doing a different expiration, and it kept fluctuating, and it went over $1. So I tried to adjust it and kind of lost out. So it happens if you get greedy. But I did end up doing the same sell and the same buy, the same strikes. Just went out to August 16th, which is fine, and we were able to collect even more premium. So we were able to collect $115, which is $1.15, and we are going to try taking our profit at 58 cents. So let's go ahead and take a look at that one. So here is the trade that we opened. We opened it at $1.15. As you can see right now, we're at 67 cents. We're on our way down, which if this one closes today, that's even better. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. So we can see it's really taken off this morning, which is awesome. We love to see that. Looks like it might break its old high. So the plays that we're going to look at here today, I kind of went through and looked at a few of them here. The good news is everything is up. The market's up today, which is kind of exciting, always. But I think we're going to look at SPY. Now, SPY isn't as big as a one that we look at. We're looking at a potential of a $26 profit. QQQ again, we're going to look at. This one we're looking at a $32 possible profit. And then an SOXL play, which SOXL we're looking at a $65 profit here. So let's go ahead and take a look at these trades, which I'm pretty sure I already mapped them out, but let's just look at them here. So if we go to SOXL, we look at trade. So with SOXL, we would be selling the 53 strike, which is right here. And when I originally set it up, I said we can get 290 for it. But you can see between the bid and the ask, there's a big gap with these. So getting these filled is iffy. It may or may not happen, but right now I have, let's just say we can get 290, which I know is above this. This was at 295, I believe, just a few minutes ago. And then a cost of insurance, which we would be selling the 48. Let's see, I have $1.60 to pay for that, so it cost us. So looking at that one, you know, we would be looking at collecting a credit of $1.30, which would give us a potential profit of $65, which I'd be happy with. Let's go ahead and look at QQQ. And again, we're doing the August 23rd, 2024 expiration, which is 46 days out, which, like I said, we like to be 45 days, right around the 45-day range. So that's where we're at. So let's scroll down. And with QQQ, we would be selling the 470 and buying the 465. So okay, so here's the 470. So this has dropped a lot, but let's just say we can get, let's just go low on this because it keeps dropping. So by the time let's just do 315, and then we would have to buy our insurance at 465. So let's just say that one we would do, let's try to get it for 253. So with that, we'd be looking at a 52-cent credit and a $26 potential profit. So let's look at SPY. With SPY, we'd be selling at the 535. So here's our 535. And let's say with this one, we can get, these are pretty close. QQQ and SPY are pretty close, so we can probably get these filled. But 535, let's just call it 249. And then we would buy the 530. So that would cost us, let's just say $2. All right, so that would be a credit of 49 cents or $49 and a potential profit of $24.50. Neither of those two are very exciting. So let's go ahead and look at SOXL, see how she's doing. Check out the chart here. All right, so if you look at SOXL, she is going in a beautiful direction. Looks like she's going to break a new high. We have both of our simple moving averages going up. We have our 7-day and our 30-day. Here is our 90-day average, which is well above. Is this the one we just closed out on? This is the one that we just closed out on, isn't it? So we're just replaying this one. Okay. So let's look at this one again. So if we go ahead and we sell the 53, let's go ahead and go to trade. Let's go ahead and sell the 53. And we're going to do this. Again, there's a big gap on this one. So chances of this getting closed are probably slim because we're going to try getting the most credit we can for this. So let's go ahead and do a sell. We're going to do a vertical. And on this one, we're going to sell the 53 and then we're going to buy the 48. All right. So right now it's showing a credit of 59 cents. We were looking at $1.30. So if I bump this up to $1.30, I don't know if this is going to get filled or not, but we're going to try here because this is the top end of it. So we're going to do $1.30. And again, if it doesn't close, that's fine. So let's go ahead and try closing this one. And we're going to send it off. All right. So you can see we're like halfway there. We're not even close. But if you're looking at the chart, things can go up, things can come down. So depending on where that is, we'll see if we close it or not. Let's look at one other thing here. Let's see about mixing something up here real quick. Let's look at QQQ. And again, like I was saying, guys, you know, once you get past that 21 days to expiration, theta really works in your favor. I mean, SOXL, you were watching this with me, you know, the last couple videos you saw, we were up there, $2, $1.95. So when you place these orders, you got to remember, we are so far out that we have time to let the stock work. And especially when we hit 21 days expiration, we're going to let theta work in our favor. So you don't want to set up your one cancels other order way too soon, because we would have closed out and stop lossed on that one multiple times. But we held out. It got past 21 days of expiration, and we ended up taking a profit on that. So just keep that in mind. All right, so moving on. Let's just do QQQ real quick, and then I'll get you guys out of here. I know this is getting a little lengthy, but I just wanted to show the close here of SOXL, and then let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ is moving nice. So if I go back to our trade, we were looking at the selling the 470 and buying the 465. Okay, so 470 we have here. We have $3.18, which it's back up, so that's good. So let's try selling it for $3.18, and then we're gonna buy the 465. So it's gonna cost us. Let's try getting that for $2.55. So that's a $31.50 profit. So let's go ahead and try locking that in. And this time, let's try to go for 2 contracts so we can double that. So let me do 470. 470, we are going to sell. We are going to do a vertical. And then we're going to buy the 465. All right. We're going to do 2 contracts. All right. So we are looking for a credit of, we're going to try getting 63 cents here because that's what we want to get it for. We have to confirm. And as you can see, we're going to do 2 contracts. We are going to sell the 470. We're going to buy the 465. So let me go ahead and send that through. Go back here. Oops, I got to close this one. Let me get rid of this one. Cancel this order. Yes, cancel this order. All right, let's try that again. Trade. So we are going to buy the 470 of QQQ for August 23rd. We're going to sell the vertical. And we are going to buy the 465. All right, and we're going to do 2 contracts, and we want 63 cents. That's what we want our credit to be. So let's go ahead and confirm and send this one. All right, so here we go. We're gonna try 2 contracts on this one. So that when this one closes, that'll give us a total of 3. Okay, so with July, I'm gonna try having, with June we had 2 contracts in place, 2 different stocks. For July, we're gonna go up to 3. Okay, so we're gonna have 1, and then we'll have 1 with 2 contracts open. So appreciate you guys watching. This ends vlog number 5. I appreciate you guys being with me. It's an exciting week. Hopefully our play that we opened this morning on SMH or actually last week, will close out because this one's doing pretty good, and then we'll have another one, and then we'll have another slot where we can open up another trade. But again, I appreciate you guys. Always remember, keep it simple. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it in the comment box below. I'd be happy to help you. And always remember that you want to come up with your own trading strategy, okay? I've tried many different ways, looking at other people, how they do things, and try to do what they do, and it just doesn't work out because it kind of goes against your intuition, your feeling, right? So keep it simple, set it up how you want to set it up, make it your own, and just have fun with it, guys. But I appreciate you, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.